I am Speed.
Yo, what's up? Just got back from the gym.
They don't
Oh,
call me Lightning McQueen for no reason.
is that what they call you now? It's a new one. All right, just let All right, how's it going, Lightning McQueen? You finished off your banner that you were working on yesterday? Boom, 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 boom. FL
Yeah,
Studio.
a banner donate.
Oh, Dunny, you say? You have it on your Twitch channel? I'm curious. See. Oh yeah, I see it. Nice. It's too bad I can't see it fully though. Um, hold on.
I could share it in the art Discord if you want to see a clearer picture.
Hell yeah, go for it. I mean, most of it is blocked by like an offline thing and some information. So yeah,
Just thought I wouldn't share it there since it's my channel.
yeah, you can share it there if you want. I think I have like there's like a show off thing in it. You probably just do it there, or you can do it in the art. That's fine too. I mean, it's labeled game dev, but I mean, whatever. It's self promotion. Maybe we'll just call it. I'll just call it show off. Show off stuff. All right, let's just rename that. Show off stuff. There you go. Made a channel for just that. You go ahead and do that. It's pretty cool though. Still can't believe you did that all in Excalibur. That's actually crazy. Actual madness. You madman. You madman. Ooh. Desktop audio. There you go. Bezos is in the chat. Let's take a look at this guy. Yeah. Look at that. Sweet. I like the graffiti look. It's fresh, drippy. Dude, you did this entire thing in that editor? Excalibur? That's actually nuts.
Yeah, a tie.
That's insane. Holy shit.
No, not the entire thing in
Okay.
Excalibur.
Okay. Because that'd just be ridiculous. Dun, 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 dun. Where's my sources? There they are. Boom, 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 boom. Get some basic. I forget I
I'd
have a
take me a
delay.
year to make that in Excalibur
Oh no.
LUL.
Yeah, that sounds about right. I was just gonna
You
practice a
know
little
music.
piano. I was gonna practice a little bit, just a little bit before I get back to programming. I barely know how to play. I just don't practice enough to actually do anything. My wife challenged me.
Play
She's
Rushy
like,
please.
"Rush E, yeah, okay." That ain't happening. I need to find my headphone real quick. Where the hell did I put that? Oh no. I probably wanted to learn the DDLC song. Dun, 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 dun. Cookie, move it. Move it, you doge. All right, there we go. Now I plug my mic into my headset into my mic. I will have no sound for a second.
Time to play some bangers.
Time to play some bangers. Oh, I could hear me smacking it. The keyboard is getting smacked. Okay. Oh no! It's the laughing. The laughing is back. The laugh track. Hey, where's my pedal? I found my pedal. Fast test. John Madden. Okay, that sounds disgusting. Rest in peace. There we go. It wasn't typed out. It just happened, man. I summoned the hurricane. It's here. I bring the storms to you. Yeah, I mean, I only know like a few songs. Just here's the thing. I don't know shit about playing piano. I just memorize it and my hands just know how to go to the right spot. When it comes to sight reading, I don't know shit. I'm super slow. But my wife challenged me. I think it was like 2 years ago. She was like, I bet you can't play this. I was like, okay. I'm totally gonna play that. I don't remember. I don't think I can still play the song, but it was like. And then. Okay. I don't remember the rest. Yeah, I'm petty as hell. I get challenged to do something like, nah, you can't do that. I will grind that shit out. I'll do it. I will take challenges. I don't step down. You can't make Elden Ring 2. I can make Elden Ring 3, all right, asshole? You watch me. You watch me. Yeah, me too, right? I know like a fairly complicated. This one's called Grandma. Oh crap. Oh crap. Yeah, I probably can't even make Elden Ring point one. I do know one of the Undertale songs. If I wait, maybe I forgot. Maybe I still remember. Oh, oh. Doom. Yeah, I only messed up a little bit. That's not too bad. Coming off no practice. God damn. What the hell? This memory. Beautiful. Drop an angel thump in there. We're missing the dancing sands. The Chad sands. What else do I know? I mean, oh man, there's like the two Xanarkin song from Final Fantasy X. I love the hell out of that song. And that one I practiced for a bit, but you need to like you need to practice the hell out of it to keep playing it because I don't remember it now. We'll see what I can do off memory. Yeah. Then I think it's that one. Uh-oh. I don't remember. Oh no. Oh no, I don't remember it. This is my favorite too. Da... Yeah, all right. I kind of forgot this one. Rest in peace, Final Fantasy X. It's gonna take a lot of commitment to learn something else, though. But I mean, eventually, I'm gonna have to compose my own music. I think it's gonna be rough. Gotta learn all the music theories. What are we doing? Oh, I was just opening it up to play my piano on computer. That's all I was doing. It's how I connect it. Eventually, I gotta learn this one. Da-na-da-da. Nah. Yeah. That's a jam. The entire thing is in C. I mean, team, did you compose the music that's in your game? I remember hearing some strings in there. I do have a guitar too. I barely know how to play that one also though. He closed. Pseudo made his own banner yesterday. That shit's cool. That shit's cool. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna go back to Godot and continue what I was doing the other day. You gotta know your limits. That's a secret. We don't have limits. We just define them. That's true though. It's good to stick to what you know you want to do. That's completely reasonable. It's, if anything, it could be argued that it's kind of unreasonable to do everything. You bet I can't get 19,999 wish lists in a week. Yeah, you're right, because I get more than that. 19,999. That's a low bar. That's a low bar. All right. I need to fix the way my chat looks. It looks like shit. Looks like somebody just like spilled toothpaste on the floor and just stepped on it and then just threw chat on it. It's gonna stay like that for a bit though. Oh, OBS. Why am I trying to open OBS? What am I doing? Let's get some music. You play any DMCA music, Pseudo? You DMCA it up? Uh-oh, I have Lanky Box in my history. Get out of here. You can't have this. Oh, you didn't publish any VODs yet for that reason? Yeah, right? It's hard to find the time to get better music. I mean, that's the excuse I make for myself. I have time to do it. It's just, I just end up like doing random shit on my phone if I have a little free time here and there. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of good to just keep your VODs anyway, and then you kind of figure that out as you go, and then like, oh man, my shit's really messed up. By the way, Pseudo, have you seen Team's game? Like, it's pretty awesome. It looks awesome. I want to get this. And I really like the way the music really fits. It vibes so well with the theme. Dude. Let's go. You still looking at the December release date? Yeah, it does. It does. Yeah. I mean, dude, I'm ready. I'll play this when it comes out. It looks awesome. 100% not happening. It's all right. Hey, but if you want some beta testing to be done, then go ahead and push something my way. I wouldn't mind playing a little bit. Oh no. Oh yeah, that sounds, oh my god, that sounds kind of annoying. Fancy terms. Sold. I like how there's a strength stat. You got a strength stat in there, my dude. Damn. It's all bench press. It's chest day every day. Is what we do. Oh. bum boom ba bum bum boom ba bum boom. There we go. Yeah, I can see. It's only chest day though. Love it. It's like America 3.0. Ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. For me, it's chest day every day as well. I feel like I'm being called out. Ba-dum, 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 ba. Oh no, my thing is messed up. With the sus emotes. I gotta hit other muscle groups eventually. To keep it genuine to America, you gotta skip leg day. There's no leg day. It's only chest and, I don't know, shoulders, arms. It's only upper body workouts. My guys are not gonna have lower body strength. That's the call. Oh, I turned it off, that's why. Can't do legs today. Every day. Actually, I could just do Alright. Oh yeah? The no sus emotes? I don't know, dude. She dancing. She dancing. Alright. Ba-ba-da-da-da-da-da. Last time I checked in, I busted this shit up so bad. Forgot where I left off. I pretty much left off where we were last time. Wow!
Team LDM just followed.
Thank you for the follow, dude. I need to get my thing back in here. Oh, you forgot to follow? Drop a file. Feel free to subscribe, ring the bell, do all the stuff. Oh wait, this ain't YouTube. Oh shit, I'm streaming YouTube. I forgot about it completely. For real? Oh, because the Discord. Discord. Gotta be a Discord. Whoa! When did I get another sub on YouTube? It's going. I swear to God, my YouTube channel is just turning into a Terraria channel. Like, I only get subs when I stream Terraria. I don't know why. It's just hilarious. I did need to pull out YouTube chat real quick though. Forgot about it. Yeah, last time Team passed me like the script
Hello, YouTube.
for the
Click
menu.
the like, smash the sub, destroy the comments, nuke the share.
Yeah, what he said. Where's my video? Where's my video? Ba-ba-da-da-da-da. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-da-da-da. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Oh, you haven't booked onto it? Oh, okay, I see. That's one way to do it. Oh, you didn't come through the Discord message? Because I pretty much just came on, so I guess it was good timing. Where is my guy? Hold on. Pop out chat. There we go. YouTube chat is here. I don't think anybody's going to join in. Nobody ever joins in when I do Godot. 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 Ba-ba-da-da-da-da-da. Alright, we're in. Alright. Mr. Team last time. Passed some pretty awesome script.
I think generally most traffic will come in from gaming streams.
Yeah, that's what it seems like.
Dev is a niche topic generally.
It is. It is. I noticed that playing Undertale, like Bread came from Undertale on YouTube. That's where he came from. And then he's like, he uses YouTube to search for people on Twitch because Twitch sucks for searching. Yeah, so if you want to be found on Twitch, you gotta go through all the sources, it seems like.
I don't even know where I came from. I just popped.
Yeah, dude. I think you got raided to me. I think you came from a raid. It does depend on the kind of audience you're trying to build, but generally I think a lot of people that blow up more and more on Twitch tend to come from like YouTube or another source. Like they just make some videos on YouTube and then a lot of people just start joining the streams. Like for instance, that Pirate Software guy. I think he was like 300 concurrent or something for a long time, and then his shorts started popping off on YouTube, and then now he's like, I don't know, in the tens of thousands concurrent viewers just from having the YouTube shorts pop off and people recognize the
You
channel.
gotta put Sigma Jit Mu Ohio in your YouTube channel.
Oh, is that what it does? Sigma Gat Mu Ohio. What is this string of terms?
Draw M Gen Alphas in.
Yeah, maybe that's the kind of audience I don't want to attract. Is that the newest gen? It's alpha? Oh man, they can say I'm alpha male now. God damn, they own it. Wait. Hold on, Mr. Team. You passed the script somewhere. Programming. Was it in programming? No, it was in general.
They've
I
got
think it was
some
in general.
weird slangs.
Yeah, I mean, I'm already behind, like, the slang I should already know. There we go. I found it. I found the guy. Yeah, I remember this looked clean as hell. He threw a few in for good measure. Yep, you have the setup. I'm row stat increase. And then, yep. Update rows. Nice, nice. There was one thing that I didn't know what it was doing.
Mewing, shit, phantom tax, what the Sigma, skibidi.
Why is Ohio a term? Which state? Mewing? Yeah, there's definitely a lot of ways to go about it.
All these words over the weekend.
Did you? You were doing some research. Oh, like this one. I don't understand what this is doing. Set, disabled, bool, colon, set, value. I've never seen this kind of, it's a setter? Yeah, it looks like a setter. I just never seen it in GD script. That's interesting. I didn't even know this existed. Let me, lower music just a little bit. My ears! Alright. Yeah, so, okay, so it's of type bool. Disabled is type bool. Set value. Okay, Okay, and then value is going to be whatever it is. So you say disabled equals false, I guess. It's disabled is going to be the boolean, yeah. So you're passing it the boolean. Oh wait. What are you calling disabled though? Disabled. What? Where is this actually getting called? It's called every time the variable is set. Okay. Okay. And these have getters. Oh. Nice. Health is return. Stats, stat type, dot health. Yes. Yeah, this is the kind of thing I needed to implement. I needed getters and setters, I think, in my code. I was lacking something. Yeah, that's what I wanted, computed properties, right? That's cool. Yeah, I did not know that these even existed, setters and getters, so. For the life of me, though, I'm not seeing where this is set. Roda stat type. Oh, dot disabled. Is it doing it? It's doing it through here. Got it. Never mind. I see it. Is disabled points remaining is less than 0. Got it. Got it. It makes sense. What's this bullshit that I have? Hold on. I mean, I kind of had something, but level up menu. All right. I think this was just mine. And it was, I think, mostly done. The hell? Level, menu, row. Emit. I had a little bit of logic in here instead. Alright, Pseudo. Lurk away. I'm trying to remember what I had here. So, points left. I don't need this. I don't need this. Yeah, because I had 2 references to points, which is kind of annoying, I guess. Dun, 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 dun. And it looks like you left this as sleek as possible in yours. Yeah, the row itself is just pushing out emissions and stuff. Which I think makes sense, right? Because it's kind of like a container to house values. You don't really want any logic inside of it. And you want to just attach it to a brain that just do everything. I think I agree with that kind of implementation. I do. I do agree. All right. So to do this. Yep. That feels right. I'm coupling too much to this. Yo, focus on just being UI and UI only. All right, so we have plus button, the minus button. Points to add, then we have the base stat. So we could probably just delete these. Okay, and then I think I could just delete all this. I have my connections on ready. My class names are still consistently on line 2. Just the way you love it. Let's get rid of this. I'll throw my signals up here, actually. That feels neater. Signals at the top. Yeah, psychopath behavior. I'm gonna roll in my psychopath behavior. I love it. Alright, so we got a set. We're gonna set the val. Okay. Disabled equals value. Yep. And then we have the buttons. Where do I have the references to the buttons? Increase button. Plus button, minus button. Alright. Plus button. Disabled. Disabled. Ah. It could be value too, right? But it doesn't matter, I guess. C to B. Minus button. Alright. Ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-da. Ba-ba. Okay, so we have our emissions. Emit. I noticed that you don't pass self in here. An increase button. Ba-bum bum boom ba-bum ba-boom ba-bum boom. Ready, so you bind it on 32 and 33. Oh. Oh, interesting. I didn't know you could do that either. I did not know about this. So we'll just call... I should probably start using Godot conventional styles of coding. Because I'm bringing these caps in here like they own the place, but then when you deal with Godot functions, they're all underscore and whatever. Maybe I'll just start refactoring starting from this one, and then I'll work my way through all the previous stuff. I think it will just do that. We gotta start somewhere. So let's do prepare row. We're gonna have my level up row. Level up menu row. And then we have stat to increased. Boom, 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 boom. This needs to be a... in the player, I guess. Player GD. Oh. For internal methods. Can you have private methods in GDScript? I was curious about that. I mean, it's probably a quick Google search, but I was a little curious. Oh, okay. Global. And I would think it probably makes sense to have the player stats in global as a just maybe. I don't know. Maybe it makes more sense to. With your experience in Godot so far, does it make more sense to put this in global or attach it to the player? The player's stat types, the enums. That's what I'm a little bit curious about. Keep it in the components they belong to. I feel like it might be the components they belong to. It makes more sense. Okay, so if a lot of things... Yeah, if a lot of things need to access it and they're not going to have the reference to the player, for instance, I guess it'd make more sense for global. But right now it's just this one thing that's going to be accessing it. Probably makes sense, yeah. Probably makes sense for the player then. Okay. Got it. Enum. I don't remember. I don't know how to do enums. Let's see. Enum. Oh, there we go. Cool. Easy. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, that's what I do. In global, I do have the player here, so I do push him in when the game is initialized. Da, 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 da. All right, so we had HP, special, damage, defense. I probably have way too many stats, but we're just gonna leave it this way for now. Boom, boom. Okay. Oh, I could probably just do this guy, right? Oh, never mind. Okay. Ba-ba-da-da-da-da-da. Maybe I won't make... I'm just gonna leave this as a internal thing. Stats. Alright, let's make you a dictionary. I don't think I've used the dictionary yet in Godot. But it looks fairly similar to JavaScript. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so we work with the stat types now. Stat type dot HP. So we just leave this at 10. Boom. Special. Sure, we'll do damage. Damage, just a lot of damage. Defense. Luck. Okay. Oh, they added type dictionaries too? Cool. And how would that look? Would I just go like dictionary and then just like enter something? Let's see. Int string. Okay. Oh, I see. Damn, 4.4 is already in the works. This one just came out too. They move quick. Okay, got it. Alright, I'm about to rip some stuff out and it's all gonna break. Ooh. Which is fine. Ba-ba-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, I can do and then this could just be a getter, I guess, right? Whatever's currently referencing it, I'll just kind of... This can't be an export, though. Yeah, let's just go ahead and cut those out. Our HP is going to be... Ugh. Struggling. Alright. Get... return stats. That's gonna be the all right. Stat type HP. Yank it. Push. Oh. Oh. Yanking word. 8 up. Viewer paste. Special. Special, special. Word, find the H. Yeah. GU word. What's the command? GUIW. Yeah, that's it. But I need the damage. Rip. I need to start getting comfortable with these these commands. VI word yank. Find the H. VI word paste. VIW. G capital U I W. There you go. Oh, is there? That'd be awesome. Takes capitalization into account? Yeah. Yeah, I definitely need to get better with it. I'm definitely doing this like the worst way possible. Oops. Oh, there's no. Yeah, it would just be special. I would need to set up like a macro or something. That's what I would have had to do there. Just do a macro, record the keystrokes, and then just play it for the next row, the next row, the next row, and then it just kind of all does it. But I would just need to make sure that I do it right. And then remember how to actually use the macro. I think that would have been the way to do it. Do one row and then the rest are just like instant. Yeah, whatever. Defense. Luck. Oops. Okay. So now everything should still work. Godot crashed as normal. Right. Because there's a lot of repetitive work like in other editors you wouldn't be able to do anything about, but in Vim you can if you utilize the macros. You certainly can. Oh, I can make the set stats thing too. Bunk. Alright. I'm gonna start having inconsistencies with naming, and then I'm probably gonna start fixing them going forward. Dated stats. Gonna be dictionary. That's right. I don't have LSP anymore because Godot crashed. It did the thing again. It's lovely. And then we just say stats. What did I call it? Oh yeah, it's underscore stats. Stats equals updated stats. All right. That would be it, I think. The perfect macro for your use case, yeah. I mean, it's worth it, right? I mean, next time you'll do it, right? And then next time comes, you completely forget again. You do the same thing, and then again, same result. But you know, you do it enough times, maybe one time you'll finally remember it. One day you'll trigger it. LSP restart. Man, I should make a thing that if the LSP disconnects for Godot, just set a timer that automatically retries. like every 10 seconds or something to just add it back in. Because this is not cool. But it's not even restarting? I don't know, it's weird. Okay. The hell? No. Game menu. Yeah, right? That's what I'd imagine. Level menu row, play, we'll do A. Oops. Search file, player, GD. Add this guy. Okay. Alright. Got a little harpoon in there. I could jump between them. Repair row. Oh, this one. Stats increase is going to be player dot. Stat. What was it called? Shit. Stat type. Stat type. Boom, boom, boom. And then it would probably just be an amount. Int. Oh wait. Okay, there's nothing wrong with this. So to prepare the row, what would I need to pass it? I'm trying to think. Damage row. Let's say I wanted to prepare row for level up menu row. Okay, damage row. I have this defined at the top. For row, damage row. So we have the row here. So what needs to be added to it? What did I delete? Update base stat? Maybe not. Yeah, it must be a known thing. It randomly disconnects. Yeah, I could look it up, right? So I was thinking. I don't think I need to pass in an amount. Oops. Let's do row and then do the same thing. Row. So we'll connect these guys. And then the stat type is gonna be... Wait, I feel like I'm straying. How'd you do this? So you already had them defined at the top, right? Yep, you had it on the on ready. Right. And then you only had the types. Oh, and each row has a stat type associated with it. Okay. That makes sense. Damage row. Let's rename this too. Damage row. And then player dot stat type is damage. Okay, find the comma, delete to that. Okay. Cool. Why? Why does it keep closing? I'm just saving a single file. This is actually crazy. It closed again. Does it close this much for you in VS Code as well? Like, this is insane. I'm just editing a single file. I'll get one more kick. One more kick. Actually insane. Okay. Right. But I mean, like, Godot itself is crashing. The editor is just closing. I have to keep reopening it, which is insane. So you have setup row, bam, 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 row. That stat type is stat type. Yeah. I don't think I keep track of the stat type in the row right now. Yeah, the editor is blowing up. Doesn't really crash you? I wonder why. That's really weird. Player dot stat type. Okay. Does this need to know the stat type? Current stat label. It might. I don't think I had it knowing it before. Stat value label, because you're gonna label it. Yeah. Right. When it comes back. Because it's not keeping the references locally, it's keeping it on the brain level. Correct. That makes sense. Yep. Okay. Yep. That makes sense. Connect. Okay, sub from stat. I think I'm just gonna delete these because they're calling functions that don't even exist anymore. Jeez, man. Okay. I don't know why Harpoon isn't saving the sessions. It's kind of weird. Let's just do a pass in here. Yep. Yeah, let's just do another pass. All right. Oh, we got the ads rolling in soon. Oh no. Okay. So once you get damage working, the rush should just kind of follow. Yeah, it just closed again. What the hell, man? Hold on, wait. There's got to be like the editor just closed again. That's absolutely insane. This is not helping. All right. A new row. Okay. So good, we're in there. We'll have the reference. Bum 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 boom 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 boom. I think this guy was ready for me. It could be. Hold on, let me just check what version of Godot I have. Maybe it's something that got fixed. Help about Godot. Yeah, that's what I have. Godot. Let me just double check here. Are there any patches? No, I'm not seeing. That's actually crazy. Yeah, let's try stable. Let's try that. Let me Windows 64-bit. All right, downloading. Let me close this one real quick. All right. Oh, I do have stable. Why was it opening RC1 before? What the hell? Hold on. All right, is this one the stable official? Okay. Let's just remove RC1. That one could be the problem guy. Okay, and this one's just opening on the wrong window. So I need to just real quick inspector. It's the editor settings. Yep. There's something about monitor, I think. Screen. Screen 2. Screen 2. Close. Alright. Save and quit. Got ads. We got ads. Lovely. It's opening the wrong window. I'll figure that out later. Whatever. If it crashes though. Better not crash. SP log. Okay. Should be in now. There we go. Alright, maybe we won't crash anymore. Hoping. I'm crossing my fingers right now. Alright, so we have the prepare row, and then we just need to set the row that stat. I don't know if LSP is working still. There we go. Stats increase. Stats increase. Boom, 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 boom. Damage row damage. Okay. Repair row's done. We do need to connect. You binded it, right? You binded this guy. I remember you binding this. Oh. Ah. All right. So you connect it and then you do .bind. Nice. The ads are finished. Welcome back. All right. Connect. Row.add_stat.connect, and then we do add to stat. So I'll just rename this guy. Oops. Yeah. Yeah, I could, and then it wouldn't have the child wouldn't even need to care about that or what it is, because it doesn't actually use it in any it doesn't use it in any way besides knowing that that's what it is. But I think it's fine to pass it in. We'll do on row stat increased. B paste on row. Oops. Find I C2 that decreased. Typing is hard. Paste this, yank this. Find the capital S. Yeah, we're paste. Boom. Decrease. Boom. 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 Okay. How do you do the bind? Dot bind. Okay, just do dot bind after this row. Cool. Dot bind row. All right, this is super helpful. CE. You're right about that. I have a habit of doing that. Yeah. Yeah. You're right. CW does the same thing here too. Yeah, because sometimes, like, in my head, I feel a little confused sometimes where a word ends, but I should know this. The special characters sometimes just get deleted. And I'm just like, wait. And then I think I just made a habit of doing that. I try to go end here, yeah. If you're on a special character, it'll just keep going. Yeah, I don't know. It's a little weird in my head. I need to get used to it more. That's a very good point, though. 2 keystrokes rather than all those. Okay. Yeah, the capitals, they take the special characters into account. All right. Yep. All right, so we can just focus on boom. We'll just add them in. So in this one, we're updating player stats. I need to make a clone of it. Okay, let's do the player stats. It's gonna be dictionary. And then to do clone, you just do duplicate. Cool, good to know. My music. Where'd my music go? Let's just do this one. All right. Nice long one, a long boy. You put this together fairly quickly, though. Holy shit, man. It's pretty cool. I guess you've kind of worked through similar stuff before. Yeah, it's fine. I can work that in. Yep. There's a method to just push it into the player, so I mean that's easy. Just connect the signal with the button and do the thing. Alright, so on row stat increase, I'm just gonna go ahead and push this guy. So we have the, I didn't actually do it yet, but it will be there. Player stats. And then we'll have row.stat type plus equals 1. Then we can do this. Boom, boom, boom. Find the plus, replace the minus. Yeah, that sounds about right. That's the way to go about it, I think. You just kind of play around building a bunch of different shit, and then you can actually just turn a lot of it into a game. Start putting stuff together as components. And that's probably why you know the good way to make components as well, because you built lots of small prototypes. If you want to reuse them, you got to componentize the shit out of them. All right, and I need a way to update the UI now. So let's do func update rows. All right, just like you got there. All right, so each row is gonna have to be updated. So we can just start with this guy. Damage row. Oops. That's that. What was my thing? Current stat to add. Yeah, I think this one could be fixed up a little bit, because then you only write the code once and then it'll just call it per row. You don't have to do each one. Yep, that makes sense. That, yeah, it should be an easy refactor. I was looking at that. I see the repetitions. We see the dry coming out. Hell, I can just do that right now, actually. We just do row type, level up menu row. Hell yeah. Damage row, so this will just be row. And then I need to remember which thing I was using. I think it was to add label. To add label. This needs to be changed. Let's just rename these now. Current stat label. To add label. So this should be the number I'm adding into it. Minus button plus button minus button. Oops. Plus button. Okay. Cool. And right now this is gonna be bum 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 ba-dum. Dun-dun. Okay, so we update the rows. It's actually going to be the current stat. So let's do current stat label equals string row. Oops, not row. This would be player stat player dot what was it? I have to go to player GD stats underscore stat. Oh no, I have the dictionary, right? I have the dictionary. I don't need to do it. Let's just do this and then CIB. Player stats. This is gonna be the row dot stat type. Yeah. Yeah. String cannot be assigned to. All right, because I'm an idiot. Dot text. Boom. All right. So that should do that, and then I could set that as disabled. Var is disabled. Oh, first let's not go too far. Godot's still open, so I think we're good. Very nice. I need to make the player stats first, so on ready, let's do this. Player stat equals player dot stats. Oops. Ooh. C capital E. There we go. Player dot stats dot duplicate. Yeah. All right. That way we don't update the reference itself. So the way this is right now, it should be able to just update the UI. Maybe no errors. Let's just see if that works at least. No, I'm missing something. Oh, whoops. I don't need that anymore. All right, cool. Push that again. Throw a little CIB in there. All right, what else is wrong now? What else is wrong with you? Current stat label. Row.current stat label.text is equal to the string player stats. Player stats row stat type. Row stat type. Player stat type damage. So if I run this, I could look at the remote, I guess, and see the menu itself. Shift C, Andy. Yeah. Yeah, I like Shift C too. That's right. I do like my Shift C. Sometimes throw that guy in there too. End of line. If I need to ignore everything just to delete the rest of the line and just replace all of it with some new shit, then yeah. Hell yeah. Give me a little bit of Shift S as well. That one's a nice one. I just forget to use them sometimes, but like they're the perfect for some situations. Shift S especially, but I just always forget. I tend to just go just DD then uppercase O or something. Yeah, right. It's like, God damn it, why'd I do that? I undo it just so I can press Shift S. Because I need to commit that to muscle memory. Alright, So we have the dictionary. It is at 103. Okay, so it is updating. That's good. It just needs to update the UI now. What is that? Control Shift C? The hell does Control Shift C do? Shift 6 is a bit of a stretch. Oh, it's caret. I see. Yeah, go to beginning of line. Caret Shift C. Yeah. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work. Caret Shift C, you can just press Shift S, yeah. Same result. It's just the great one that's not used much that for me. Just gotta do it more. Okay, so this is updating. I need to call update rows, that's why. Because I'm an actual idiot. Let me just put the row in here. Boom. Boom. Alright. 0W is easier than Shift 6. Yeah. 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 I mean, it's not too bad. Do you use a split keyboard? I have a split keyboard, and I find it not too bad for the numbers. All right, let's check. Okay, there we go. No splits. Yeah, you're using Vim motions. You might as well. Your wrists deserve the pain. Ooh, ooh, get that pain. I need to update the stats. Update. Prepare a row. Update rows. Stat. Update rows. Row. This needs to be called update row. GG VG shift S/ underscore update rows. We're just gonna call you update row. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I know. You do the buffer. But hitting that percent sign for me, I don't know. Like, percent sign feels awkward for me. Because I'm used to pressing shift with my left hand, and then, like, it feels so far away. But you're totally right. I should do that. Yeah. I need to get used to using shift on my right hand. That's what I need to do. I just started touch typing for the first time a few months ago. So, like, it's all new to me. It's all new. Shit is different. Yeah. I used to type with, like, 3 fingers. I mean, I'd still be able to do, like, 80 something words per minute with 3 fingers. But there were some fast boys, all right? There we go. Good. Yeah. I know. That's why, like, sometimes I make some pretty crazy typos sometimes. It's because I'm still just getting used to it, right? After a lifetime of just typing with, like, 3 fingers. Yeah. Not only proper touch typing plus Vim, I'm also using a split keyboard. I also got a split. It's like when I try to use a normal keyboard now, like, I am destroyed. Because I got used to touch typing on this keyboard. I was just like, I don't know. It's super weird to just use a regular keyboard now because I didn't practice touch typing on it. Everything just feels wrong. It's like I'm probably like 30 words a minute or something on an old one. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just bullshitting. But this works and it's super componentized. I need to limit the stats now and then it should be ready almost. It's good. Yeah, that quick refactor too is really nice. The update row. One line replaces a bunch more. Love it. Oh, I've seen those. Yeah, you can like move. Yeah. It's like you put in the combos to write words and stuff. That shit's crazy. Definitely not learning that. Yeah. I like to have control over every letter that I put in. I don't know. That's too much. People do use it. What do I have left here? I need to limit the things that I'm doing. So I need to collectively new points, right? I do have my new points. I'll probably rename this. Let's just delete this guy. All right, I'm gonna name this new points. And then we'll have to keep track of points remaining. All right, and this is... Oh, you wrote a function to just calculate it to sum the stats. Okay. I mean, that's a way to do it, and then you don't have to actually keep track of it. It'll just keep track of... It'll just do a math operation. By the way, this getter function, yes, I've needed this in my life. Just compute the values rather than having to update a value. That's great. I've needed this. New points, and then we'll say bar player max points. I'll put it down here with this guy. Player start points. So I'll need a function right now, I guess, just update the stuff. I want to leave the events as last too. I feel like that feels cleaner, just put events last. Update row, prepare row. Damn, this shit looking so clean. Love it. Some stats. Boom. Ba, 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 ba. This should just go through every property of the dictionary and just add them up, I guess. But I don't really know how to jump through per key. Maybe there's an easy way to do it. Oh, you could just do a for through it. Okay, cool. You could just iterate through the dictionary. It seems like you keep track of them so you know the difference. Yeah. Yep. You only need to calculate the max points. Ba-ba. Ba-bum-bum. Kind of wondering if there's a way to do it without these. New points. Because it does feel a little weird to have to calculate it every time. I mean, I already start off knowing how many points I can add and how many points I can't. But then I'll need to know starting points and all that. It might make sense. Dun 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 dun. I think one issue can be stemmed from the player stats being cloned rather than just having a new dictionary and then just applying it to the player stats at the end. Like if we had a new dictionary for stats, then we wouldn't have to worry about a stat going under 0. And then we probably wouldn't need to calculate it every time. We could just keep track of the new points or the points left, I guess. But maybe... Oh, we do have a new one? I mean, like, it's being cloned, right? This guy's getting cloned over here? Is that what you're calling the new dictionary? Yeah. I was thinking, what I meant by a new dictionary is like one with stats all starting from 0 instead. What the hell just disconnected? I just heard a disconnection sound. That way, like, I'll know if something's at 0 and if it can go less than 0. Maybe. Dun, 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 dun. But maybe I'm overcomplicating it too. Maybe we just keep it this way. This is probably the easier way. I feel like it's just adding different complexities. There's like different solutions with different complexities. I think this one is an acceptable one for... It doesn't have too much complexity to it. I was just wondering if I can make it simple in a way, more simple in a way. Yeah. For key, yep, and stats. Yeah. Yeah, it is doing that. Right. I mean, we'll always have the snapshot of the current player. With the new dictionary, could always just be appended on if we want to just add the stats to it as a preview. And then we could just push the new points. But then, yeah, I mean, like, they both will work. They both do work. So it's not like it really makes too much of a difference, I think. Oops. Wait. Oh, you're passing in the dictionary. I see. Yep. Oops. That's dict. Yes. Call you a dictionary. All right. That's dict. For each key, sum. Here we go. Sum plus equals stats dict. Boom, 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 boom. Dun, 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 dun. So this just iterates through the keys, right? And then you can just pull it out, and then you can just return sum. Cool. Nice. Player max points. So I could just set the player max points. I don't need to worry about the first one. Player stats is a dictionary. Player max points equals player wanna sum stats, and then this will just be player stats, and this would just be plus new points. Yeah, that should just be it. And then I don't think we need anything else for this. So we have the max points, and we just need to make sure now that when we add stuff, it doesn't go above the max points. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, so what else? Update rows, alright. So points remaining. Points remaining should just be a get, right? Bar or points remaining. Get. I forget the syntax. I was just colon. Alright, cool. Alright, get, and then this will just be player max points minus, we're going to sum the stats of the current player stats. Whoops. How that equals get there. Whoops. Wait, what? Not all code paths return. Int. Points remaining. Oh, okay, got it. No implicit returns. Got you, got you. Okay. Yeah. Points remaining, so if we do update row now. Yeah, it needs to be disabled depending on the rows that are being updated, right? Only thing now is with this one is we would need to update all the rows to disabled if points remaining is less than or equal to 0 rather than just a single one. Da-na-na-na-na. Which this kind of kills. Update row, where else is this called? So for now, I'll just do this guy and see if it works, and then I'll work on the other ones after. Okay, so update row. Var is, yep, disabled. We get the points remaining is less than or equal to 0. I mean, I don't think we need points remaining. Yeah. That makes sense. It comes back to bite us in the ass. I mean, do we use points remaining for anything else? Points remaining. Probably not, right? This could probably just be a bool. This is less than or equal to 0. Okay. And then we can just 10 up go is disabled. Oh, there it goes. Godot crashed. Haven't seen that in a bit. It took a little bit to do it, but it finally did it. Unbelievable. That definitely took way longer, though. It wasn't like every 5 seconds, so. So I could probably just check on update row. If disabled, then I'll just disable all the rows. Yeah, it's probably something like that. Yeah, I'll just set it to VS Code and then just like language server, right? External editor. There we go. Use external editor. Sure. It could be, yeah. I'm just gonna enable it. Well, let's see how that goes. LSP restart. Take the token. Take the token. I'm waiting to see the message in the editor. I'm not seeing it take a token. I could just do this. Maybe it'll take it now. Yeah, there we go. Token taken. Add stat. What's this? Add stat. I'm guessing signals are also just like lowercase. Signal. Signal. Yeah. Okay, let's match the convention. Add stat. Sub stat. Oh, I could just do that. Okay, boom. Sub that. Okay. Yeah, it's starting to look a little cleaner by just following convention because everything else is named like that. So. Okay. Is disabled, blah, 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 blah. Update row, then update row is called, do that. If is disabled. I'd probably just want to disable all. For now, I'll just reference it directly, row.disabled. I could just do row.disabled equals that. Is disabled. Okay. Da-da-da-dum, da-dum. Ba-ba-ba-ba-boom, boom, 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 boom. Ba-da-dum. There we go. Another convention is signals are typically written in past tense. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I kind of feel that actually. I feel that 100% actually. Stat added. I think I did that already too, like in the player. I'm just being inconsistent now. Wait, signal. Wait. Signal. Let's see. So I know I had some signals that I made too. Nope. This should be just like died. Leveled up. Yeah, I'm inconsistent as hell. I need to start being more consistent with my shit. I'm gonna drive myself crazy. Like, you thought this was psychopath behavior? Inconsistency is psychopath behavior. All right. I'm living the dream. Okay. Hey, well, we got that. Yeah. Oops. AGD, yeah. Yep. I mean, I do have this one. Signal transitioned. Yep. By the way, when I implemented that state machine, that shit was amazing. It felt pretty cool. Yeah. I mean, at the end of the day, it's like I'm coming from C sharp, and then I'm also learning this new language, like for GD script, and the conventions are completely different, and I feel like mixed because I'm seeing it written certain ways in GD script, but then I'm also used to doing them other ways in C sharp, and it's just like there's clashing happening. It's clashing so hard. Is just doing it, and yeah. I need to adapt the style though. I just need to adapt. Nah, I wanted to like step away from C sharp a little bit. Let's just embrace like a different language. And it's kind of Python-esque, so I feel like if I get comfortable with this, I'll be comfortable with Python at the end of the day. At least that's what it kind of seems like to me. So it doesn't hurt to be well versed. I'm guessing the conventions are also similar to Python. All right. So this was disabling all of them. Yeah, right. It kind of feels nice to just write in this. I feel like I'm just writing like stuff that's supposed to be kind of small and just like go go go. Right. I'm getting that like sense of being able to like move quickly. Like as long as you get a little familiar with it, it just feels super fast because C sharp is super verbose, so you have to write out so much just to do like a small amount of stuff. It's like a pain in the ass. Everything in this just feels so short. Yeah. I have some really long functions in some projects. Like the method name is just ridiculous. I've seen like some pretty long shit too. Like, oh man. It's like spanning like the whole line horizontally. It's just the name of a function. It's pretty funny. Yeah, that's how it is. Identifier add stat not declared in the current scope. Cool. Sure? Thought it was. Oops. Add stat. What? Wait, how did that get undone? I know I did that. I'm gonna turn off external editor. I'm gonna turn that off. I feel like that just like backrolled something. Because I updated sub. Hold on, stat added. Oh wait, sub. Stat. I definitely did this though. Stat subtracted. I don't remember what I called this. That added tab subtracted. I'll just call it this. Man. I thought I did. Maybe I'm going crazy. Maybe I didn't do the other one? I thought I did both though. Wait. Wait. I feel like I did this one too. Maybe I didn't? I'm gonna go crazy. Okay. Weird. Add to that. Like, I feel like I did that. So I'm from stat. Maybe I didn't do this one. Maybe I didn't. Whoops. Okay. Oh, this should be prefix the minus. Whoops. Boom. Do that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where you going? All right. Yeah, I probably didn't do those. It's just one of the ones I missed, I think. Okay. Row dot that added. Row dot that subtracted. There we go. Looking a little cleaner. Just gets cleaner and cleaner. All the lowercase makes it feel clean too. So we have a separate issue where we combine this and it goes down. So we probably need to disable depending on the plus and minus. Banana, da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na. Damn, getting hungry. Oh, getting hungry. Points left. Player stats to the dictionary. Equals this, dot duplicate. Player max points. Some stats, player stats. So we're adding this to the player stats. So we'll need to know if this is going, you can't subtract. I need to keep track of the starting stats. I think. Bar player min points. That's what it is. Because I can't go less than what the minimum that it's at. Player min points equals some stats. Player stats. Yep. Yeah, no. I get that. Like that's impressive enough that you got it to that good of a form just doing it as a gist. All right, so we got the min point. So we'll have a starting point. Yeah, from here I just kind of work on the rest. So we can do like I can have a disabled for the add and a disabled for the minus. I think. Is add disabled. Actually, I'll put this under. All right, is sub disabled. Okay. Player max points, some stat less than or equal to 0. Player min points is player max points minus So I'll need to keep track, I think, of the points now. I think the way you kind of had it is going to make more sense now. The points remaining. Right. I need the points remaining back. Points remaining. Because then I could apply that to each button. Points remaining is going to be an int. And get. And we just do return. Sum stats. Layer stats. So if I need to know how many points remaining, we do sum stats, so we get the current stats. And then the max stats. Minus that. Player max point minus. Okay. And that would be it. Is add disabled? So we could just do, if add is disabled, then we want to say points remaining. Points remaining is less than or equal to 0. And then we could just do for this guy, return points remaining. It's greater than or equal to new. Wait, less than or equal to player min points? Maybe? Maybe. I think this would be one way to do it. Disabled. All right. So probably just have to do for each one of them, I guess. Disabled plus and then disabled minus. Is there a reason to do this disabled rather than just pass the value in like this? That's the one thing that's going beyond me. Value. Like, I don't know what the difference is doing that. Disabled. Oh, I call this a minus. Let's call it a minus. Let's be consistent. Minus from stat. Bum 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 bum. Okay, got it. But disabled isn't actually. Was it actually stored somewhere too? Or maybe it wasn't. I just didn't do it. Okay, I get it. I get it. Dun, 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 dun. Minus from stat, add to stat. Okay, stat added, stat subtracted, stat emit. Stat added, stat subtracted. I mean, what's the past tense of minus? Minused? Is that even a word? Minused. Okay. I've never used that in my life. but I'm gonna use it here. Subtraction sound way better. Gotta love it. Nitpicking over the words. Okay, whatever. Oh, Godot's closed again. No, I just noticed I had an inconsistency between subtracted and minus. And then I was trying to see which one would be better, but I think subtracted just sounds way better. So I am going to go with that. Love how it just closes though. Okay, do that. Boom, 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 boom. Doon, 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 doon. Is it working now? It's broken. All right. Right, the disabled is broken. LSP restart. Take the token. Take the goddamn token. Take the token. Okay, fine. There we go. Ooh, we got ads. Is disabled. All right, so we want to set this to row dot. CE disabled. Disabled subtract. Disabled add. Okay. Disabled minus button. There's maybe no point in setting a setter here, but I'm just going to do it anyway. Minus button dot disabled equals value. Add equals points remaining. Player stats. Wait, what am I doing? Just need to do is add disabled. Is subtract disabled. Okay. Bum 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 bum. Nice. It never updates that one. Points remaining. Points remaining is max points. Less than what did I call it? New points. I need to do new points. I think this is fixes it. Points remaining is less than new points. Oops. Haha, just kidding. Okay, my brain is breaking for this. Wait, why is my brain breaking? This shouldn't be that hard. So if my points remaining I feel like I just need to open up a text pad or something. My brain is failing. Okay, So we have 5 points left. So this should be a no. No. 4, yes. How do we know we have 4? Because we used 1 point. So we have 4 points remaining, which is less than 5, which is less than points to add. Current points. So my current points, current total. Just gonna print. Makes sense in my head. Points remaining. And then, wait, why is this? Oops. New points. New points. Points remaining is never less than new points. Oh, it is here. Oh, I know why. I'm an idiot. This is greater than or equal. Yeah, you actually put it in there before greater than or equal. There we go. Yeah, that's it. That was it. That was me being dumb. Because I flipped it on its head. This should be disabled, not enabled. So it's like the negative logic kind of broke my brain. There we go. Get rid of that. So I mean, technically this works with one stat. It's not going to work with more though. Okay. I can go ahead and add one more, right? Let's go ahead and add. Yeah, just got to bash your head a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, you just got to write out examples. Like, it was working. I just forgot that I was putting disabled instead of enabled, and that's what broke me. Okay. Cool. So this all works now. We add a second guy in there, then it's going to be broken. Level up menu. We'll go here. Let's add a new level up menu row. Oops. I did GD. Row. Just type row. Level up menu row. Okay. We'll have, what's another one? HP row. Access unique name. HP row. HP row. Yeah, save you. Okay, you should be happy now. Once I stop calling you damage row. HP row. Okay, ready. Min points, max points. Prepare row. HP row. HP. All right, and then this should not work anymore, but fine. Right. Control D to duplicate. For me, Control D goes down half page. Control D is down, Control U is up. Oh, but you mean in the editor? I see. I'm an idiot. Yeah. I saw a little bit late. Yeah, good to know the commands. If you're gonna go Vim, right, you gotta know all the commands. Yeah, so we're good here. Nice. So this is now bugged, and that's because I need to make sure that all the rows. I mean, the one way I can think to do it is just have a dictionary of rows. And then I can just run through that dictionary on every iteration and just make sure they're all updated. Kind of like we did with the keys and the stats. Or I could just write out each one to do this. I think it might just be fine to do with the dictionaries. This is going to be a lot of adding and minusing because I got like 5 stats. So it's like 10 lines of code all doing the same thing. I think I might as well just write some iterative logic for it. Make it look clean at least. If that even looks clean. Okay. On ready, var. Could do that. They rows. Yeah, I could do that. And then this would just kind of like, this would do it for each of them. Oops. No, this would keep this in here and then it would just do it for each one of them, right? Right. HP row. Whoops. What did I do up here? Get rid of the dictionary. I got rid of it. Okay, cool. Oops. Okay. HP row. Why am I recording a macro? What the hell? Okay. Update row. HP row. 마지막 하고. 네. 아? 왜? All right. Here we go. I had to be right back for a second. HP row. What did I call the other guy? I called it damage row. Oh, I love GI, by the way. Go to your previous insert. It's so good. You got to go to the top for a second. Okay. Yeah. GI. Go back in. Love it. Love it. All right. So we have the damage row, HP row updating, and then I just need to call this guy. Prepare row. Update row. Specifically, then we pass in this. Stats.row type, and then we could just call update rows on all of them, right? Yep. That should be it. Oops. Say rows. Whoops. All right, that should do the thing. That should do the guy. Nice. But we have a separate issue now. I can now officially subtract the negative numbers. Okay. That's a separate issue. Yep. Yep. Just nerf myself into the ground. They're also called damage. Whoops. Right. It does need to be per stat. Yeah, and I don't have a reference to initial values, so it makes it harder. Yeah. Okay. I feel like this is almost at a solution, though. We're almost there. We're almost there. This is looking pretty good, though. Oh, yeah. It's definitely taking more work than I thought it would have. Okay. But dude, thank you. You taught me like how to use these compute values. Amazing. Amazing stuff. I didn't know about these. So the getters and the setters, it's nice to have. I don't have to declare a function just to return something, because I'm pretty sure I've done that somewhere else in this code. Yeah, I'm about to head out too. I'm end stream. Alright. I'll see you later. I gotta go pick up my daughter. Daycare. Ooh, woo, 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 woo. We do a raid, hypnotic. Alright. See you later. Dun, 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 dun. Right now.